everyone. Today we're going to discuss meiosis, which is the division of the sex cells, or reproduction of sex cells. Okay, now after reading over the information in your textbook, you can come out here and do a meiosis search, and this is such a wonderful tool that you should really be using your computer for all of these topics. You can find all sorts of tutorials. You can find videos. They're very, very good, and they give you a visual of what actually is happening. Let's go ahead into one of these, which I already posted it here. I got the meiosis tutorial. Okay. Basically what's happening is that first of all, let's remember this process is happening in the sex cells. So in the males, it's happening in the testes. In the females, this is happening in the ovaries. And what is happening, first of all, is that the cell is going through one division here in meiosis 1, goes through all the different phases, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Then the cell divides. Then it goes through meiosis 2. Once again, that's a prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and a telophase. Then the end products after cytokinesis is the production of a haploid gamete, which is either an egg or a sperm. Okay, so you start with one cell, it divides once, then you end up with 2, then those divide again, then you have 4. So let's take a look here at one of these diagrams, kind of give you an example here. We'll just look at this one. Okay, meiosis, you start off with your parent cell, go through the phases, end up with 2 cells, then you begin again, and you end up with 4 gametes. Okay, so let's go back, find another picture, show you again. Parent cell, DNA replicates, goes through one phase of meiosis, then it goes through the second phase of meiosis, and you end up with your 4 daughter, which are called your gametes, containing the half of the chromosome number. I'm really not happy with these. Here, let's try this one. Okay. Meiosis 2 it's talking about here. Let's see if we can find this one here. Here. Okay. Meiosis 1, we have prophase 1, metaphase 1. Similar to mitosis in that the chromosomes are behaving the same way. Okay, in prophase they match up with their homologue, and then in prophase 1 here they match up with their matching homologue, so they'll become like a pair of homologue. These are matched up with their sister homologue chromosomes, and we end up with a tetrad, what's called a tetrad. Okay, then these tetrads line up along the midplane or the equator. Then during anaphase 1 they separate, and then you end up here with 2 daughter cells. Then during meiosis 2 we have once again these sister chromatids here in metaphase 2 lining up on the midplane, and then in anaphase 2 they're separating, and then finally we are totally chromosome number reduction here, haploid. Okay, so in meiosis you start off with your parent cell having 46 chromosomes, then you're ending up with your daughter cells or your gametes, eggs or sperm, ending up with 23 chromosomes. Because remember, in sex cells, half the chromosomes come from the male, half come from the female. Okay, so you can read through this stuff, but just stick to my outline, and be sure to understand the difference between mitosis and meiosis, and you should be able to tell me some differences between the two, and where they occur, and those types of things. Now, we also have a Meiosis 1 animation. It's going to show you quickly what's happening here. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Then we go immediately into Meiosis 2. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Okay, so then you end up there with your 4 gametes, eggs or sperm. All right, so hopefully you can go out there and enhance your knowledge on meiosis. Have a good day.